Hello and welcome. So now we are going to make another Tkinter application which would be a text to speech. So whatever data inside the text area it would try to convert in speech. You'll be able to hear that. So let me just show you the application. So its UI would be as similar to the previous application what we just had. So it is just that one new extra button is added here which is saying the text to button. So let me just type some text here. So I would just say Python is awesome and would just click on this text to speech. So you should be able to hear that. So let me just increase the volume to a maximum, and now let me just click on this text to speech button.
Python is awesome.
So we were able to do this text to speech. Now you can load any text file here and you can also do this text to speech, but it would take a little bit time. So right now I had just added only one line to show you. So this was the notepad application which we already had, and now we are just going to add this text to speech converter in next video.